racket 断掉。
没有 cover plastic
没有，
硬的 cover 啦，没有啊。
我去在不是了，去在不 racket 啦 ，racket 都可以 string 咩 ？racket ，buy online。OK， Mr. You。Xbox 65 32.
My shirt so wet.
The IR. But then I play the PC, I'm all wet. You might go do here for 2 hours. Pulang lah. I don't want to play it.
没有床啊，床线啊，大家拿的。这爽哦，放在这边。哎呦，两片都可以的。啊？可以。这个是，这个是，20块。便宜。风又大。5号最大。好。可以开始。我看我可以查，这个灯我不懂。哦，这个是好的卡。可以，那你关掉这是好。稍微去看一下。好不好说 present？ 当然。你 press 这个。哎呦！
老鹰波波。
sorry。卖这些的。完了，眼睛轻轻的。我闭着眼睛，一定轻轻在那边，是到轻轻。学那些 international 的那些 band 的，就是用那个 French 来弄那个 player。我的眼睛还是大清晰。
Oh my god.
Strong 呀。好。差一点点。
What you see is about hat, That's okay, right? Cute. Oh, you have your own racket. Your own racket. And what do you use to play the ECC just now? Same racket. Then you come today, what are you going to do? Ronnie. I'm given
Monkey, he said you want to smell my grip. You weird, you like my smell, is he? I think you actually gay.
笑手这么短的，然后
短，
裤子这么短。
来来，我为你读。你为你读，你来来，我为你读。Then monkey đâu kìa, show cái McLaren shirt one, F1 shirt. Monkey lah. You don't ask, right?
You ask me why I wear McLaren shirt, monkey. That one.
No one ask you wear this shirt, right?
You know what? People ask you wear this shirt now?
I just came from mall. So I brought such a right.
No, my mother asked me wear this shirt.
I asked why you wear this shirt.
Because my mother asked me to wear it.
I did not ask.
What? You really need to mess up with it. All those schools. You want next year? I holiday now until for like 2 months. I know I'm really
I did not know that.
Oh!
Stay humble.
是错药。Autism medicine, you eat the ADHD medicine. Then I really, hey, come back. Wow, my standard. I remember 2 years ago, Mr. Yang was saying, he said a standard, he said, if you want to be a student, you must be
Cannot.
Oh, a lot of people cannot. You ask coach, who cannot beat me when last time? Got people cannot beat me when
I did not ask, right?
You are.
In.
Oh, but lucky I'm not your trainee anymore. Just now I liao again.
That's my training. The whole life. Not for him.
Yeah lah, but if just now that game you don't know make me do how many push-ups.
Do one now.
Lucky you do lah. Do what? Say what? Scared the uncle see you and go
You got to practice your jump. You don't have to pull the leg up. You just pull it up. Most easy. Hello, Lucas. You are just taking at the shutter at the highest point. Because if you jump out, you elevate yourself higher. I said I cannot jump.
What I say?
I cannot jump.
What I say?
Why like he cannot jump?
Hey, he got power我习惯就这样。
What a dream! What a dream! 哪里有人打我的 racket？
我这样子打哦，好像 my racket gonna fly out my hand。
你这样，就算这2只3只，你拉，就会掉，对不对？ 有时候我打根本就不要用到这两只，我只是这样去做。
这三个兵
然后这两只干什么？这什么叫？那你觉得风是这样呢？就是你要离开你是有风势，对。
You have plastic, right? I spin a racket there. I spin a racket that you can sell for $1,000. Yeah lah, I drove for McLaren, but everybody want my sniper. Everybody want my signature, bro. I made the principle. Fish off. You asked me to sit here. You asked me like that. Have to keep. Cannot keep thinking there. One for a time. No, fish off. What is fish? Oh, you're so stupid, I don't know what's
I know fish tank. Clean one. Clean one.
You go and take these ingredients now.
No, not this one. Genius. Stupid ass. Stupid asshole. I want it.
Wow, cow.
What's your language? You wanna say you can see?
Woo! You were down, right?
Oh, who will let you do?
No.
Say your
No. No. No lah.
you say
You lah, you so lah. Very successful lah.
okay, you.
Wow, your socks smell like you pick up your dumpster.
Your breath smells like.
Smells just like you put the socks in the toilet bowl and shit and take it out there.